Hi everyone, and welcome to Clean Up with Kelly. In this video, I show you how I keep my oil diffuser clean and ready to go. If you're new here, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. So after you watch, go ahead and click the red subscribe button. Now let's get into it. So here's what you'll need: some distilled white vinegar, measuring cups and spoons, paper towels or a dry cloth, cotton swabs, pads, and cotton balls. I also wanted to mention that you should always check first with the manufacturer's instructions. I have two different brands of diffusers, and this method of cleaning has been working well for me. So after every use, I like to wipe it down with a paper towel just to make sure it's nice and dry. There's a lot of oil residue that can get stuck there, so it's always a good idea to wipe it down after every use. So to keep it running well, about every 2 weeks, I fill it halfway up with water, and then I add a 1/4 teaspoon of distilled white vinegar. I then let it run for about 5 minutes. So once the 5 minutes are up, I take a paper towel and make sure it's really dry all over. I then take the cotton pad and the cotton swab to dry out any of the very small areas. The cotton swab is great for this because it's so small it can fit into those tiny areas. Next, I take the top part and I wipe that down to make sure all of the water and everything's out. Along with all the other pieces, I know all the diffusers are different, but usually there's 3 main top pieces, so I make sure those are all dry. Then with a damp paper towel or a rag, I like to give it a good wipe down. You can add some vinegar to that to make it nice and shiny. Now the diffuser's all ready to go. You can add your essential oils and water and let it go. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video helped. Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one.